I'm so scared.
It's on you now. Oh my god, kill myself, that wasn't recording. So, welcome back to another episode of Project Driveway. Let me do this again. Take 2. This week, we're back in the garage. It's a very rainy Friday night. Very wet. Very cold spring night, which sucks. I've got a headache. Hopefully I'm not getting sick. But, we're going to fix the golden toaster. We're going to make it even better. Behind the camera right now, Adam is holding a big boy top mount intercooler. Look at that face. He knows something going on. So this new one, nearly double the size.
It's a big boy.
If I am correct, it's off a 2015 WRX or STI, whichever one. I know there's 2 different ones, but it's off one of them. And to make that fit, there's a few custom parts. We have a clutch master cylinder and reservoir off a GD, if I am correct. So we've got this one, which is a remote, where my one is attached to the top of the master cylinder, which is just under there. And this one sits kind of around there, so it's out of the way, and you can pull the top mount all the way over. I've got to get under the dash because the back of this is there, and there's like a pin rolling through that. So I've got to go under there and pull that out. I don't know where it is. I'm going to have a look. Never done this sort of stuff before, so first on my books. Also got to make up, after this is all completed, a shroud, which goes from there, if that's where it starts from, to about there. So got to make some more custom shaz up. And yeah, there's some different brackets. This should bolt back on. And that's all I kind of know of for now. Hopefully there's not too much custom stuff. This is meant to fit, apparently. I'm going to hope so. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to get this top mount off. Kind of move everything out the way. I'll test fit the new one, kind of see what I'm working with. And then from there, I think I'm going to get underneath the dash and try and take off this master cylinder. Get that out the way. And I'm getting a braided clutch line from HEL, or HEL, however you pronounce it. While I'm there, there's no point in me bleeding it twice, so I'll wait till it comes in. Not sure when that'll be, hopefully not too long. But that'll be going in. That'll be easy to do. I can do that at the very last thing, once I get everything on. But, yeah. How's the grill? Like the grill?
I like the grill.
You like the grill?
I like the grill.
Front's coming together.
It is. It's kind of doing something now, instead of being stock.
Now it's like, what else is installed?
You're
You're gonna have to watch.
What have you got for sale?
What have we got for sale?
Yeah,
All good Mondeo fucking stuff.
I don't want it. Why is that stuck? We got some suction.
What, where?
I don't know why that's stuck on him out. That's stuck, bro.
Go.
Oh, I got it. Oh,
Christmas design.
I got a bug on there. Alright, well, top mount's off. I'm going to look underneath the dash for this thing I'm looking for. I don't even know where it is, but somewhere in there, so let's go for a look-see. Alright, well, I'm in the car. I had a look underneath the dash. I found it. It's actually connected to the clutch pedal. I'm going to try and get the camera under here because there's not much room. Where are we looking? Alright, so we've got the clutch pedal right there, right in front. And then there's the torch. So we've got the arm for the clutch pedal. We've got okay, can we see this on the camera? Right here is the pin that I need to take out. Can we see it from this side? Yeah. Is it going to focus? right in front of my finger is there's a little clip or like a retainer which I need to pop that off, and then that pin should come out. I'm gonna hope there's no like pressure on this, which there shouldn't, but there's one way to find out. So I'm gonna pull that clip off, pull this pin. The camera doesn't fit in here, man. But that's on the other side of the master cylinder, and then that just goes into the firewall with a little like rubber bung. I got it. I don't know how dark it is in here, but this is the pin. This plastic thing doesn't come out. It's kind of like, excuse me, you push it in and then like you pull it out, but I just reefed it out and kind of bent it. And also what's in that is a little this sort of clip, which just holds it there so it doesn't come out. That's pretty easy to come out. You just pull that out with pliers. It looks like a bullet. That comes out too. There's no pressure on the end of it, like the bit that's connected to the pedal. And make sure you don't fuck with the one on the brake pedal, because I nearly did that and pulled the wrong one out. So that's disconnected from here. What I should be able to do from now is get in the engine bay and pull out that master cylinder. So let's go tackle that job. Thank you for your torch.
That's okay. How much heavier is it?
What? Oh yeah, this thing's way lighter. Hey, penis.
Penis!
Penis!
Penis! Penis! What a dick.
What an idiot!
Idiot.
Adam! Yeah, bloody nice. Video.
About 7 years difference between you and the brother, but I do
Hey!
a little bit further into the future. I think you've got tickets.
No. Alright, so... Oh, there's a glass there. What I'm planning on doing now is emptying this bad boy, which I was either going to do it from the... that thing. Can't remember the word right now. But I can't get like a container. I don't want to spill it all over the ground. So I'm going to get a container under here and just take it off from here. The light's pretty shit. My head's in the way. But I'm going to pull it off from there, let the fluid drain. Not make a mess, hopefully. I tried to take this little plate off, but kind of stuck. It's not going where I want it to go.
Oh
my
shit, it's
God.
going on some metal tray thing.
I think I'm catching it. I'm trying.
Look how quick that level's dropping.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God, it's missing it. I hope I'm catching it.
What was that? The jar? The jar is empty.
A little bit, yeah.
Where is it? Where is it? There it is.
What the fuck is that?
That was in your car. That's what that was.
I've
Oh, it's
extracted
tomato paste. That's what it is. It's tomato paste.
tomatoes.
Tomato.
Yeah. Caught it. Caught all of it. It's still dripping.
Tankers.
It's still dripping.
Should be right. I can catch it.
Bracket is our first port of call.
Yeah, should be able to go. Hold up. Yeah, you should be right. Hold up.
I'm recapping some of the best new music from this week as well, brought to you by
No, there's nothing really holding it.
One
Yeah, I'm
is
just-
from the Gooch Parks. Brand new music, a recent single.
Okay, what I'm gonna have to do, we're gonna have to disconnect this the brake booster.
Won't go through there.
This track is called
sorry.
Summertime, and I want you to listen out
Did that by
for the
hand.
very sexy lyrics in French.
Spanner fingers, mate. Or ply fingers, I should say.
New music from them.
You are a spanner.
Scribble Day.
Alright, so it's all out. That's the old one. And the lines. Where'd you put the lines, Cal?
Down there.
Okay, they're the lines. We had to maneuver them here and there. Wasn't the hardest to get out, but that's all out now.
Look at that.
So nice and empty. That's your
dark.
hole that where your thing goes in. And the lines actually wrap around this way instead of that way now. So
Keep everything in the bay and not over the strut.
we're making better steps, which is a good thing. So next step is kind of put the new cylinder in. Master cylinder. Let's do that. We're taking the mounts for the old top mount off, and we've come to a stump that there's a bolt.
If it's tight, it's tight. Doesn't matter if it's threaded.
Yeah, look at
Yeah, that's fucking tight.
That's trying to take it off. I don't know how we got it in there.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
That's under so much tension. I'm so scared. I'm not normally one to be shy about taking a bolt off, but when it's actually in the block,
I'll do it.
No, you won't.
no. Blocks are scary things to have a threaded bolt in, yeah?
Just through tap and die set through that hole, made it as fit as a fiddle.
Fitment on point.
Now we can get back on track and put these mounts on. Have a look at that mount. Just sits straight across the turbo. Like usually the other one, I think, finished here.
Is that dipstick going to get in the way, or does it pitch?
I don't know. We'll just bend it. Yeah, boy.
Big boy.
It's a fucking monster, man.
It's not actually in. Don't need to get excited. We're still chilling. So we've got
Strike brace is going to be an issue.
this other mount which kind of doesn't fit 100%,
God, this doesn't fit.
or that we've got it in the wrong spot. But we're gonna try and get this one to fit because obviously we need the mount. But
Worst comes to worst, we're lopping off a mount.
say goodbye turbo. You're not gonna see her anymore, sort of. But that thing's huge.
People, wait, this is off a GR, yeah?
2015
That's off 2015. Oh, okay.
STI, not WRX, because the WRX has a different one altogether.
Can we just get around the fact that this is like the same size, just about as like a front mount that you can buy for like a NA to turbo conversion? Like it's the same, legitimately same size.
Because I learned WRXs have V mount.
Verti mount, yeah. You can.
STIs have flat. No, 2015 WRX comes standard. With
Oh,
V
stock
mount.
with the Verti mount.
Yep. And these come.
Wait, you mean like V mount or like tilt mod mount?
Oh, not flat.
Yeah. Because sell the fuzz, buy a super bike.
No. Dad.
Bah! Bah, bah!
Fucking noobs. What are they even doing? What a noob. Sure.
Who's that other kid with a beanie
I
on?
don't know, it's a new kid. I haven't seen him.
I know, he hasn't. I swear to God, he hasn't been here in like a month.
I don't know, it's been a while. He's been a fucking caveman under a rock and shit. I heard old lifestyle. He was actually that one that went to that abandoned island.
No shit.
Yeah, and they found him.
So what? On the island they buried him and got resurrected.
Yeah, can't you tell by his caveman ways?
Yeah, true.
So like, oh, fire! Oh, what is that? That is a car. Oh, I do not know. What?
That's a Camry.
It's a hybrid.
You're a hybrid.
Damn straight, all talk. No power.
Yeah, you fucking talk too much.
That was the joke.
Alright, we're back on the second day. Last night I kind of ate and didn't want to get back up. So, we figured out last night that we need to mod one of the brackets.
Which is where?
Somewhere down there. So we're gonna mod that a little bit. But before I go cutting shit, I'm gonna put the new master cylinder on and strap all that on, and then work from there.
Because you gotta do work.
Yeah. So that's the old one. That's the new one.
And these two mountings are very different.
Yeah. So we need to figure something out.
Cut, weld to.
Yeah. So the welder and the grinder's gonna come back out. So yeah, Saturday antics with the boys.
With the bees.
So and sad, man. So and sad.
Let's take all that shit off. I don't wanna wait now. But we should be sweet.
It's on you now. This little motherfucker.
Yeah, I see that.
Is there any metal behind it?
Yeah, there is. There's a flat piece, kinda, right there. Move the other way a bit. Yeah. Take that out, and then we'll just get a Sharpie, throw it through.
Alright. So, the master cylinder is bolted up, and the lines, we had to move some shit around. There's a bit of a headache trying to fit it in there, but it's kind of in. It'll hopefully work. I've got to check inside the cabin that it actually lines up with the pedal now. I'm going to do that ASAP. But yeah, all I got to do is just bolt the reservoir up to that and find out where that mounts to. It actually mounts to there, my bad. But I'm going to put the reservoir on too and see if the top mount will actually fit on with the res there. I had to move this hose clamp because the block actually sits up against the heater hose, and these lines are actually on the piss a little, but it still bolts up, which is the good thing. But yeah, it's kind of just real fiddly stuff. Like, you don't have much room to work with, you know how it is. So let's see if it actually lines up with the pedal. I hope so, or else we're in some shit.
Let's do it.
Oh, just assessing my fire safety plan.
Which is?
Fucking run.
Yeah.
What's yours?
Fire extinguisher.
Oh, I didn't figure that. Alright. So, put the reservoir on, it's all bolted up to the pedal, whatnot. I had to... So usually this bracket was sitting about, just behind here, about there. So we've just bent it out of the way, but unfortunately here is hitting the back of the top mount. So what I'm going to do is just grind a notch out of it. It should be fine, like it's only holding up this little thing and it's already over-engineered. This plate's way too thick for it. So I'm going to grind that down. So hopefully we've got enough clearance to put the top mount on. And then we're pretty close to be alright. You still got that in your mouth? It tasty? Yummy.
I keep drooling all over it because I can't control myself.
Alright, so we grinded heaps off this bracket. Like that's probably half of what it was.
Maybe it's a friendly shot.
With the top mount on, there's like a mil gap between it, but it should be alright. So that's the end of this episode. Next episode for this, I'm gonna make the bracket up. That I've got a mod for the other side, but I didn't realize that was gonna take so long for the master cylinder. So you know what to do. Like if you did like, comment on how we did, subscribe if you want some more. Cameron's chilling out.
Always chilling.
Keep grinding. Check your washer fluid. Yeah, it should be right, mate. Did you check your washer fluid?
No.
Go check it.
Later.
They all say
Check
bye.
your indicator fluid.
See ya.